In this video, you will learn how to turn on sensitive content on Telegram. So first of all, you can follow this step on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your phone like this, now go ahead and open any browser on your phone. I'm using Chrome browser. After you open any browser, you can tap on this search and search for Telegram lab like this. So after you tap on this Telegram lab, as you can see now, tap on this page website which says web.telegram.app. Here is the website. I'll give you the link of the website in the description. So tap on this page website. After you open this page website, as you can see here, it says sign in. So you can tap on this section to select your country. So after you select your country like this, so now you can tap on this section and type in your phone number for your Gmail account or for your Telegram. Or you can scroll to down and tap on this login by QR code to scan a QR code. So I'll just go ahead and sign into my Telegram account by using my phone number. So as you can see now, I signed into my Telegram. Here is all my chats on my Telegram account. So now you can tap on this menu at the top left side. In this section now, you can go ahead and tap on this settings. Under these settings, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says privacy and security. Under this privacy and security, now you can scroll all the way to down. As you can see here, it says sensitive content. So here it says disable. So now I already disabled it. So now you can tap on this section on check. So as you can see now I uncheck the disable. So now I enable my sensitive content on my Telegram. Now I'll be able now to see all the sensitive content on my Telegram account. That's it guys on how to enable sensitive content in Telegram. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.